What's up, my dudes, and welcome back to Daily Diecast. Today, we've got a pretty awesome Hot Wheel haul to go through. We're going to review 6 cars in total. 5 of them were found on the peg, and one of them was an awesome gift from my girlfriend, which she surprised me with. She found it on eBay, and I could not be more happy. All right, let's jump right into the video with the first car, which is this 1970 Toyota Celica. Yeah, this one's new to me. So let me see here. Looks like this is from H Case, perhaps? I believe so. Yeah, pretty neat. Let's go ahead and crack it open. Let's check it out. Yeah, what a cool little casting. Check that out, guys. Looks like a pretty similar green to that Prelude from Dollar General, the exclusive. Pretty similar. Yeah, nice and metallic. Got some hood tampos, some side tampos. Those an awesome J5s in goldish copper. And this is from the Japan set. The front looks pretty cool. Same as the rear. Just a little mainline dollar car. Nice little plastic chrome base. Roll down windows, the black right-hand drive interior. Very cool. I like that little wing too. That's very cool. Nice touch, Hot Wheels. I appreciate that. All right, next one up. It's from the factory fresh set. We got us a 94 Audi Avant RS2. New for 2021. Pretty awesome. That one is pretty neat. Got some nice 5 spokes on there. And I'm pretty sure it's also from H Case. Yep, sure is. I think, anyway. Well, maybe you guys can tell me. Like, I think it's, oops. That last letter right there, right? Letting me know it's from H Case. Pretty sure. Did you guys see that Civic hatchback that's coming out? I'm really excited about that one. All right, there's the Audi. It's got side view mirrors. Very, very nice. Oh, got some package dust on there. Nice blue color. Oh, nice taillight details and emblem work. Very nice, you guys. Can you guys see that? Looks really, really nice. Let's check out the headlights. Oh, they did a great job. A great job indeed. What is up with this? What is that? But yeah, pretty cool. Rolled up windows in the back, rolled down in the front. More black interior, and a black plastic base. This one is just the old school 5SPs, and I dig them quite a bit. All right, next one up. We got the Then and Now 17 Ford GT. I got the older version of this, and now I got the new one. Pretty stoked to find this on the peg. Very rad. And here it is. Oh, what a beautiful, awesome supercar. Nice red, white, and blue. We got some gunmetal PR5s. Got a blue tint to the windows. Gray interior with no mirrors. Ooh, headlights look great. Wow, that looks really good. Very nice. There's our black plastic base with a little bit of texture on there. Very nice car. I like that one quite a bit. All right, next one up. We have the alternate Porsche 935 from Hot Wheels Race Day. I know it looks really similar to the other one, but the other one has a blue base and goldish copper wheels. Also new for 2021. Oh man, this was too sweet. I'm stoked on this one. I was reorganizing my collection. I realized I had a lot more Porsches than I thought. Yeah, that is beautiful. Check that out. That hood tempo. That is crispy clean. Very crispy clean. There on the roof as well. Very legible. Love how it says Porsche on that wing. It's got side view mirrors. Got rolled up tinted windows. Gunmetal 5SPs. Red base. Yeah, this casting has it all really. Except for headlight tampos, but it's all good. Don't mind it one bit. Or taillight tampos. But again, it's totally cool. Don't mind one bit. This thing is so sick. Awesome Porsche. Love that one. All right, and last one from the pegs is also from race day. It's an M3 GT2. There was a red variant earlier the year, and now we got a white one. Pretty stoked to find this one as well. Oh yeah, that is awesome. It's got the Y5s on there. Those classic BMW colors and some Pirelli tampos. Big giant metal wing. Gray interior, rolled up blue tinted windows. No tails or headlights, which is kind of weird. I wish they would do it especially on white cars. I don't know why, it just looks especially strange to me, but it's all good. For a $1 car, you can't really complain, because we do get a lot of good stuff for our 99 cents. Great looking car. All right, and now let's get on with the eBay purchase of awesomeness. It is this really cool Cop Rod 67 Camaro. Check that out. There's the card, you guys. El Paso, Texas. That's where my girlfriend is from. That's probably why she got it for me. But that is really cool. Yeah, check that out. Awesome. 5-spoke wheels. You know, not the regular 5SPs, but like the supercar 5 spokes. It says El Paso, Texas on the tampo. So sick. When did this come out? This came out... Oh, let's see. There are the cars, first of all. Oh, sick. When it's time to catch the crooks, nothing's faster than Cop Rods. That's so sick. Yeah, it says 99, so it probably came out like 2000, 2001. The only other one I have is that that Chevy truck. Isn't it even on here? Let's see. I don't see it if it is. No, I don't think it's on there. It's like a 56 Chevy. No, 55 Chevy maybe. Hold on, let me see. It's right here. This guy right here, which is Santa Fe, which is pretty close to El Paso. It is, yeah, a 56 Chevy. That's a pretty cool. But anyway, yeah, we got us a really beautiful Camaro right here. Stoked to add this one to the wall. Beautiful, beautiful car. Let's crack it open right now. Awesome. What is this though, I wonder? Oh, it's just part of the... I thought that might have been like a... like something to collect. But anyway, here we go. Yes, the hood opens. Okay, just double checking. But yeah, there's that El Paso Tampo. Kind of rhymes. El Paso Tampo. Paso Tampo. El Paso, Texas Police. Number 12. Lots of different colors on here. Got yellow and orange and blue and white and black. Very nice. I love those wheels. Dedicated to serve. Oh, we got taillight details. Now that is really cool. See the hood. It does technically open, but it's tight and I don't want to mess up the paint. Sorry, guys. So we got plastic tires and a metal base. It's kind of light, that's why I had to double check, but it does definitely feel metal to me. So metal on metal. Beautiful tires. Yeah, this casting always has roll down windows. This one has a black interior. Yeah, this car is so sick. Amped to have this one. This one is so rad. I am in such a good mood right now. What a great Hot Wheels haul. Wow. Whew, that one put me in a good mood for real, for real. Alright, you guys, that was the video. Thank you very much for hanging with me this afternoon and checking out my latest Hot Wheel pickups. If you're new to my channel, my name's J-Dog, and I post Hot Wheels, Matchbox, and all kinds of other die-cast videos pretty regularly, like 3, 4, sometimes 5 times a week. And if you're into collecting die-casts like I am, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, and I'll catch you dudes next time.